Angie, is that how you're feeling right now? Is basically you don't want to answer any more questions until you've had a chance to talk to a lawyer?
Deschutes County Judge Bethany Flint, shown in this footage Central Oregon Daily requested, intervening in the case of a personal friend.
If you have any questions about any sort of business arrangements, those questions can be answered after she gets legal advice.
That conversation considered an ethical violation on Flint's part. She agreed in July to be censured for her actions. In the footage, Flint is speaking with sheriff's deputies on behalf of her friend who was being questioned about a homicide in October 2022.
You can't leverage your position as a judge for personal benefits.
Tung Yin, law professor at Lewis and Clark Law School, says the conduct is enough to warrant the censure.
If the judge approached the situation thinking, hey, I'm just helping out a friend as a friend, and I'm somebody who happens to know a lot about the law, that could be anybody who has some modicum of legal training. The problem that arises is that the person may think that they're wearing one hat, in this case, the personal hat. But if they're known to the police officers or whoever else to be a judge, then the officers may feel that they have to defer to the person as a judge.
Flint informed the county's presiding judge the next day about the interaction. The commission determined Flint violated several rules in the Code of Judicial Conduct.
If you take a more moderate view that, hey, sometimes people do make mistakes, and what's important is how they respond to the mistakes. Do they own up to it? Do we think that this is unlikely to happen again? In my view, penalties such as removal from office be quite severe.
Peyton Thomas, Central Oregon Daily News.